Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Chrome account. First, locate your profile icon in the top right corner of your browser window. This icon represents your currently active Google account. Clicking it reveals a menu with options to manage your profiles. This simple action is the gateway to seamlessly switching between your personal and professional browsing experiences, keeping everything organized and efficient. To switch between accounts you've already added, simply click on your profile picture in the upper right corner of the Chrome browser. A small menu will appear, showing all your linked Google accounts. Just click on the account you wish to use, and Chrome will immediately open a new window or switch the current one to that specific profile. It's a quick and easy way to keep your digital life separate. If you need to add a completely new account or create a profile for another user, click your profile icon and select Add. Chrome will then prompt you to sign in with a new Google account or continue as a guest. Signing in links the profile to that account, while guest mode offers temporary, unsaved browsing. You can also personalize your new profile with a unique name and theme color. Managing your Chrome profiles is straightforward. From the Profile menu, you can access Manage Profiles to remove old accounts or edit their details. This feature is incredibly useful for maintaining distinct browsing environments, ensuring your work, personal, and even family browsing habits remain separate and secure. Remember, keeping your digital spaces organized saves time and reduces clutter. Also, check the description below for a link to some amazing deals, including those fantastic darn tough socks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.